Imagine planting something once and harvesting it for years. This is the promise of perennial crops. Unlike annuals, perennials return each spring, their roots alive beneath the soil, ready to grow again. They build healthy soil, prevent erosion, and require less work once established. With perennials, you trade yearly replanting for simple care and reliable harvests. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, perennials offer structure, resilience, and a lasting connection to your garden. In the following sections, we'll explore some of the easiest and most rewarding perennial crops you can grow. Let's begin the journey to a garden that feeds you and endures. Meet the walking onion, also known as the Egyptian onion, a perennial plant that's as intriguing as it is useful in the garden. This unique vegetable has earned its nickname because of its remarkable ability to walk across your garden beds, moving and multiplying in a way that seems almost magical. Unlike most onions, the walking onion doesn't rely on seeds to reproduce. Instead, it literally walks by forming new plants as it spreads, creating a living chain that slowly migrates through your garden over the years. At the tips of its tall green stalks, you'll find clusters of small bulbs called topsets. These topsets are like miniature onions, and they're the secret to the plant's wandering habit. As the topsets grow heavier, the stalks bend down to the ground, allowing the bulbs to take root and start new plants right where they land. Over time, this process repeats, and the onion walks its way across your garden. If you want to give your walking onions a head start, simply plant the topsets in a sunny spot, about an inch deep and 6 to 8 inches apart. They thrive in well-drained soil and don't require much attention once established. Walking onions are incredibly hardy, able to withstand drought and cold temperatures. They're nearly maintenance-free, making them perfect for gardeners who want a reliable, low-effort crop. Just keep an eye on their spread, as they can quickly take over a bed if left unchecked. Every part of the walking onion is edible. The green stems can be snipped and used like chives, while the underground bulbs have a flavor similar to shallots and can be used in countless recipes. The topsets themselves are delicious when pickled, or you can replant them to grow even more onions. This makes the walking onion a versatile addition to any kitchen garden. With minimal effort, you'll have a steady supply of fresh onion flavor at your fingertips, ready to enhance your favorite dishes all season long. Whether you're expanding your own patch or sharing with friends and neighbors, walking onions are a generous, fascinating plant that brings both beauty and bounty to your garden. Blueberries are a long-term investment, rewarding patient gardeners with sweet, antioxidant-rich fruit for decades to come. Once established, these resilient bushes can produce bountiful harvests year after year, making them a truly worthwhile addition to any home garden. Their beauty in spring with delicate white blossoms is matched only by the abundance of delicious berries in summer. Success starts with the right soil. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil. Test your garden bed and amend as needed to achieve a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. This acidity is crucial for healthy root development and nutrient uptake, so don't skip this step. If your soil is too alkaline, consider adding elemental sulfur or peat moss to lower the pH. Choose a spot that receives full sun for at least 6 hours a day. Blueberries need plenty of sunlight to produce the sweetest, juiciest fruit and to ensure strong, healthy growth. For the best yields, plant at least 2 different varieties. This encourages cross-pollination, which leads to larger berries and more abundant harvests. Bees and other pollinators will love visiting your garden, helping your plants thrive. Space your bushes 4 to 5 feet apart to give them room to grow and allow for good air circulation. Proper spacing helps prevent disease and makes harvesting easier. Mulch generously with pine bark or needles. This not only helps retain soil moisture and maintain the necessary acidity, but also suppresses weeds and keeps roots cool during hot summer days. Water your blueberry bushes regularly, especially during dry spells and while the fruit is developing. Consistent moisture is key to plump, flavorful berries, but avoid overwatering, as soggy soil can harm the roots. Prune your bushes in late winter before new growth begins. Remove any dead or weak branches to encourage healthy, vigorous shoots and to shape the plant for easier picking. Harvest berries when they're a deep, uniform blue and come away with a gentle tug. The best way to know they're ready is to taste a few. Fully ripe blueberries are sweet, juicy, and bursting with flavor. Enjoy your harvest fresh by the handful, sprinkle them on cereal, or bake them into pies and muffins. Blueberries are a versatile treat, perfect for sharing with family and friends. For a taste of summer all year long, freeze your extra berries. Simply wash, dry, and store them in airtight containers. They'll be ready for smoothies, baking, or snacking whenever you crave them. With a little care and patience, a well-tended blueberry patch becomes a cherished, productive part of any garden, offering beauty, bounty, and sweet rewards for generations. The globe artichoke is both a showstopper and a delicious perennial, producing edible buds for years. Plant in full sun, in rich, well-drained soil, and space plants 3 feet apart. Start from young nursery plants for reliability, and feed with compost each spring. Water deeply during dry spells and mulch to conserve moisture. Harvest buds while they're tight and compact. Cutting the main bud encourages more side shoots. If left to flower, artichokes become stunning purple blooms that attract pollinators. This plant bridges beauty and productivity, making it a standout in any garden. Sorrel is a hardy perennial green with a bright lemony tang, an underappreciated gem in the edible garden. Its vibrant, arrow-shaped leaves bring a burst of color and flavor to any patch, and its resilience makes it a favorite among gardeners who crave both beauty and practicality. One of the first greens to emerge in the cool days of early spring, sorrel is also among the last to linger as autumn's chill sets in. Its ability to thrive across seasons means you'll enjoy fresh leaves when other greens are just getting started or have already faded away. To grow sorrel successfully, choose a spot in full sun for the most robust growth, or partial shade if your summers are hot. Well-drained soil is key, and enriching it with compost will help your plants stay healthy and productive all season long. You can sow seeds directly into the garden or start with young plants from a nursery. Be sure to space them 12 to 18 inches apart, giving each plant plenty of room to spread and flourish. This spacing helps prevent overcrowding and encourages strong, leafy growth. Don't have much garden space? Sorrel is perfectly happy growing in containers on a sunny patio or balcony, making it a great choice for urban gardeners or anyone with limited space. During dry spells, keep your sorrel well watered to ensure tender leaves. Regularly trim off any flower stalks that appear. This not only keeps the leaves soft and flavorful, but also encourages the plant to keep producing new growth. Harvest the outer leaves often, using a gentle hand to pick what you need. This simple practice stimulates the plant to send up fresh, young leaves, so you'll have a continuous supply throughout the growing season. The youngest leaves are especially prized for their delicate texture and bright, citrusy flavor, perfect for tossing into salads or layering on sandwiches for a zesty kick. Sorrel's sharp, refreshing taste elevates soups, sauces, and even omelets, making it a versatile staple in the kitchen. Its unique flavor profile can transform simple dishes into something truly memorable, and a little goes a long way. With minimal care and attention, sorrel rewards you with abundant harvests month after month. It's a plant that truly keeps on giving, offering both beauty and bounty to your garden. Add sorrel to your garden and enjoy a reliable, zesty harvest season after season. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this resilient green will quickly become a favorite for its ease, productivity, and unforgettable flavor. Asparagus is the ultimate garden investment. Plant once, and enjoy harvests for decades. Choose a sunny, well-drained spot, and start with 1-year-old crowns. Plant crowns in a trench, spacing them 18 inches apart, and cover gradually as spears grow. Don't harvest the first year. Let roots establish for long-term productivity. By year 3, harvest spears for 6 to 8 weeks each spring, snapping them off at ground level. Stop harvesting when spears thin, allowing ferns to grow and feed the crowns. Keep the bed weed-free and top with compost annually. The reward tender, homegrown asparagus, one of spring's finest treats. Horseradish is a bold, nearly indestructible perennial with a spicy kick. Plant root cuttings in full sun and loose, well-drained soil. Contain it in pots or beds to control its spread. Bury cuttings at a slight angle, 2 inches deep and a foot apart. Horseradish thrives on neglect, rarely needs watering, and shrugs off pests. Harvest roots in late autumn after frost for peak flavor. Any leftover root will regrow. Great fresh for a powerful sinus-clearing condiment. Handle with care. This tenacious plant guarantees a spicy harvest year after year. Once planted, horseradish is a kitchen staple that's here to stay. Chives are a cheerful, easy perennial herb offering mild onion flavor and beautiful purple flowers. Plant in full sun or partial shade in rich, well-drained soil, spacing clumps 8 to 12 inches apart. Chives thrive in pots or garden beds and need only regular snipping to stay productive. Keep soil moist and divide clumps every few years to maintain vigor. Harvest by cutting leaves 2 inches above the ground. Fresh is best, but they freeze well too. The edible flowers add color and flavor to salads. Chives attract pollinators and fit into any garden or windowsill. Simple to grow, indispensable in the kitchen. Chives are a perennial must-have. Jerusalem artichoke, or sunchoke, is a vigorous perennial sunflower grown for its nutty tubers. Plant tubers 3 to 5 inches deep, 12 to 18 inches apart in a sunny spot. Contain them to prevent spreading. They thrive in poor soil and need little care, water only during drought. These towering plants outcompete weeds and produce abundant tubers each autumn. Harvest after frost for sweeter flavor. Dig carefully and leave some tubers for next year's crop. Store tubers in a cool, dark place and enjoy them roasted, mashed, or in soups. Once established, Jerusalem artichokes will return year after year. A prolific, low-maintenance crop for any garden. Rhubarb is a classic spring perennial, prized for its tart, colorful stalks. Plant dormant crowns in autumn or early spring in sun and rich, well-drained soil, spacing 3 feet apart. Don't harvest the first year. Let roots establish for future abundance. Mulch annually and remove flower spikes to keep plants productive. Harvest by pulling stalks with a twist. Never cut, and always discard the toxic leaves. Only take half the stalks at a time to keep plants strong. Rhubarb is trouble-free and long-lived, delivering a reliable spring harvest for years. Perfect for pies, jams, and a burst of early-season color. Perennial crops offer variety, resilience, and a lasting bond with your garden. They build healthy soil, support pollinators, and lighten your workload year after year. Start with a few: chives in a pot, rhubarb in a sunny corner, and enjoy fresh food with minimal effort. For experienced gardeners, dedicate a bed to asparagus or try globe artichokes for beauty and bounty. Growing perennials is about creating a legacy, food for today and for future generations. Planting perennials is a hopeful act, connecting you to nature's rhythms. So, enrich your soil and plant a perennial. You're growing a garden for life. The rewards, season after season, are well worth the wait.